Many business users tend to navigate from one module to another or from one form to another form, quite frequently due to multiple business functions they are handling, or due to business requirements. This becomes a major bottleneck, affecting their productivity, as they need to navigate from one module to another or remember multiple menu paths. NetSuite Recent Records can be accessed from any page by hovering over the Recent Records icon. Recent records are found under the clock icon on the far upper left of the menu bar. This shows up to a maximum of 12 recent records. To view a complete list, click on All Recent Records. They allow you to easily go back to the records you most recently worked on. Recent Records Portlet displays a list of records that you have recently created, modified, or viewed with links that you can click for quick access to these records. Recent records are also listed on the Recent Records menu, on the left of the navigation menu. The Recent Records portlet does not have a setup link, so it does not allow you to change its contents. In this portlet, as in others, the controls are hidden until you move your cursor over the portlet. Each record includes a link to view the record. In addition, if you have edit permission for the record, an edit link appears to the right as shown in this screenshot. In one of the recent survey on employee productivity, published by a market research firm, they estimated that each employee spends around 50 to 60 minutes every day looking for critical information. This could be related to the supplier's information, or supplier outstanding, customer dues, or open invoices, debit or credit notes, return items, looking for product lot or serial numbers. The loss of productivity roughly accounts to 15 to 20% each day. More than the loss of the productivity, the organization struggle to get the right information at the right time. Customers using NetSuite can solve this problem using the Global Search Engine. NetSuite Global Search is one of the most powerful tools in this business platform. The Global Search Engine works very similar to the Google Search Engine, but within the NetSuite ERP account. The Global Search bar provides quick access to every page, report, record, list, and transaction inside your system. Rather than spending time searching through the drop-down menus, use the Global Search Engine to find the record you are looking for. This is the first field you will see in the top when you log into NetSuite account, or you can press Alt+G. Global search keywords can be made up of letters, numbers, dashes, underscores, and percentage for wildcards. As an example, you can use the prefix for record type as shown in this slide for doing search on customers, employees, invoice, cash, and sales related transactions. This will optimize the search for quick results. If you are not sure about the search details, you can use the wildcard character search combination with a % before or after. When you do the search, you can use the logical operator, or to search multiple strings, or use within quotes for exact matches. For successful global search, NetSuite recommends you to use 3 and 32 characters long. Unlike global search, Quick Search Portlet is focused on NetSuite records and transactions. You can add a Quick Search Portlet on any page. In this portlet, you can search for data that matches your entered keywords for the selected field. After adding the quick search portlet, click on the Setup button. It opens the quick search pop-up window. You can do quick search from any page either on general or transactions type. The search type general refers to records like customer, vendor, partner and more. The search type transaction refers to sales orders, purchase orders, cash sale, invoice and more. You can also set the user level preference to include inactive data in your searches. As an example, you can select the search type as transaction. The default transaction search type field will give the list of all transactions in NetSuite. Or, you can filter it further by using a transaction type or by the date of the transaction. If it is a frequently accessed search, you can customize this further by saving it as a transaction search portlet in your home dashboard. Like global search, quick search also gives you the facility for including wildcard searches.